Hello students, in the last part or last video, we have learned the third extract of the lesson into the void. In this video, we are going to learn the fourth extract of the lesson into the void. Into the void has two parts, and this second part we have already started learning, and now we are going to learn that tracking the panther of Nagarhole, and the extract 4 we are going to learn here. So firstly you will find here a board is put up, and on the board the picture of tiger is there, and the message that the board gives, save the tigers. At the same time, the visitors or the tourists who come to Nagarhole, the board is going to welcome the visitors or the tourists here. So let's learn to the last part of that, and the extract here. Saya, Scarface and Pardos, the leopard that lost to Scarface, have also led Shah down a different path of discovery. Learning about them and the loss to their habitat has led Shah to create the Buffer Conflict Resolution Trust of India (BCRTI). It's an agency that educates villagers who live on the fringe of the forest on the importance of conservation. We are in the heart of the man-animal conflict zone, explains Shaj. There is no specific buffer zone here around Nagarhole. The core area of the forest ends where the fields begin. In dry season, elephant, wild boar incursions into the field are very common. Older leopards, like parrots, who have lost territory in the forest, often carry away livestock from villages. This creates resentment among locals towards the animals, on occasions leading to unpleasant situations. The new words of this part: habitat. Habitat means the natural environment of an animal or plant. Fringe means edge or the outside limit of an area. Conservation means the preservation of natural environment. Conflict means struggle. Buffer zone means prevented area. Core means the central or the most important part. Incursion means attack. Territory means an area defended by an animal against others. Livestock means farm animals. Resentment means anger or fury. Let's learn the meaning of this part. Saya, Scarface, and Pardos are the names given to the leopards by Shaj. Pardos is the leopard defeated by Scarface. All these leopards made Shaj to follow his research in a different way. He was forced to create the Buffer Conflict Resolution Trust of India. After learning about these leopards and the loss or the damage to their habitat, BCRTI is an agency that teaches the villagers who live on the border of the forest about the importance of conservation. Shah explained that they are at the center of the man-animal conflict zone. He tells further that there is no zone around Nagarhole which can reduce the unpleasant happening. The most important part of the forest ends where the fields begin. The attack of elephant and wild boar into the field are very common in dry season. In addition to that, older leopards like parrots who have lost their territory or area often attack the farm animals or livestock. This creates resentment, that is the anger or fury among the locals towards the animals. It means that the villagers hate the animals. This may lead to unpleasant happenings. Then the next part we are going to see putting tourist currency to good use under the BCRTI umbrella. SHAD provides locals with vocational training with the aim of educating locals on the merit of conservation and to help them benefit from tourist currency. The visitors at the resort are welcome to volunteer to teach a skills training class of their choice. The acquired skills enable locals to find employment with any of the numerous wildlife resorts in the region, if not in a faraway city. The new words of this part: vocational means of or relating to an occupation or employment. Merit means a good point or quality. Resort means a place visited for holidays or recreation. To volunteer means freely offer to do something. To acquire means to buy or to obtain for oneself. Numerous means great in number or many. Far away means distance in space or time. The meaning of this part: with the purpose of using the tourist currency for good use, such provides or gives vocational training to the people under BCRTI. This training offers education to the local people on the merit of conservation and help them benefit from tourist currency. The visitors at the resorts are welcome to teach freely a skill training class of their choice. With the help of the acquired skills, local people find employment in the region. With many wildlife resorts, they don't need to go to the faraway city for the employment or job. Then the last part of the lesson we are going to see: Madegowda is one such a local agriculturist who is trained at BCRTI and is now a certified naturalist employed by the bison. In the past, I have lost almost 80% of the season of a season's yield of sugarcane to such animals attacks. I used to hate them, but now I have learned how important these animals are and the value of protecting them. He said, I have known these jungles for 35 years. I know where the animals are, and I realize I can guide the visitors and get paid for it. In a way, the animals are paying me back. The forest has taught me many things. For instance, listening is a sense far more important than sight. You have to switch off your vehicle, sit and listen, for the forest is constantly through communicating through the voices of the birds and animals. He explains. Tracking an animal also teaches you life lessons. The Black Panther has taught me patience, but above all, it has taught me to never stop discovering. There are just so many amazing experiences to learn and share with the world. This extract has been taken from CN Traveler magazine published by Land Rover India. Let's see the new words of this part. Agriculturist means farmer. Naturalist, naturalist means a person who studies plants and animals. Yield means agricultural or industrial product. To realize means to become fully aware of. Constantly means always and again and again. Patient means the capacity to tolerate without getting angry or upset. Discovering means finding or searching. The meaning of this part: a local agriculturist, Madegowda, is being trained at BCRTI and is employed by the bison as a certified naturalist. The bison is area full of the highest density in Asiatic wildlife and is considered one of the best places in India. The agriculturist Madegowda tells that in the past he had lost almost 80% of the season's agricultural product due to the animal attacks, so he used to hate them. But then he understood the importance of animals and the value of protecting them. He informs further that he has known the jungles for 35 years and so he knows where the animals are. He realizes that he can guide visitors and can earn money out of it. In one sense, the animals are paying him back. The agriculturist explains that forests have taught him many things. For example, listening is more important than seeing. One has to switch off his vehicle, sit and listen. The forest is continuously communicating through the voices of the birds and animals. So he adds that tracking an animal teaches you lessons. The Black Panther has taught him patience, that is, the capacity to tolerate without getting angry. But above all, it has taught him to never stop discovering. He has so many wonderful experiences which he can learn from and which he can share with the world. So, this is the end of the lesson. You must have understood the lesson. I hope this will be useful for the HSC examination. I wish you best of luck. See you again. Bye.